Potassium is especially important for flowering plants, and there is a lot of potassium in banana peels. Banana peel fertilizer recently got very popular, but some people doubt its effectiveness. That's why I made this little experiment with banana peel tea to see if it really works. I chose fast-growing and fast-blooming pelargoniums. Both came as cuttings from the same plant, and they were the same size. One of them has been watered with regular water, and the other with banana peel tea. Check out their progress in this short time lapse. This one has been watered with banana peel tea, and it started blooming a little faster. I'll continue the experiment, so make sure you are subscribed not to miss the update.